Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize your experience in the X app. Well, before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it usually opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we follow. From here we have to swipe to the right, scroll down and tap on settings and support. Then in settings and support, we have to tap on settings and privacy. From here, we have to scroll down a bit and tap on privacy and safety. In privacy and safety, we have to scroll down and tap on inferred identity. Here, if we turn this on, then we can add some information about our interests and about ourselves. So the X app can use it to personalize our experience in the feed. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.